I was just sent this 3-pack of baking dishes. Having 3 separate sizes is so nice. You've got a 9-inch, you've got a 12-inch, and you have a 16-inch. And these can all be used in the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's got this beautiful mirror image on it. I mean, that is super clear. It's nice and rounded edges, it's smooth edges, it's all stainless steel. You can stack these up for easy storage, but this would be great if you had like a little single serve something, you can put that in there, or a little air fryer rack. Same thing with this, with the air fryer. If you're making small little cakes or pies or anything like that, you can shove them on there, or little batches of cookies. But these are really nice heavy duty pans. I'll bring you in here close so you can see this nice rounded edge on here. I mean, there's nothing that's rough at all on here. And this mirror image, I mean, you can check out your makeup and your hair with how clear that is. So this has a thickened bottom. They're super heavy duty, non-stick, warp resistant. They're dishwasher safe. And because of that stainless steel, it evenly distributes all of the heat. So these are really nice pans. Like I said, I really like how you can just stack them up. And you can use them for so many different things to be able to put the sizes for whatever your surface is that you have.